I'm Brett at Guidewise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose who can comment on your posts on Instagram. So first we'll go to our profile by clicking the icon on the bottom right-hand corner. We'll then click the three lines in the top right-hand corner. Then we're going to scroll down until we see comments in the section that's labeled How Others Can Interact With You. Tap on that. Now here, the second section where it says Who Can Comment, we'll click on, let's say, Post and Reels. Now you can allow comments from everyone, the people that are following you, people that you follow and your followers, or just have commenting entirely turned off. Now for a public profile that's posting social content, everyone is the recommended thing here so you can get as much engagement as possible. But if you want to keep your things private, then I would probably recommend to leave it to the people that you follow or your followers or the people that you follow and your followers. If you want no comments, that's fine. You can turn that to off and you're all set. Once you make your selection, press back and your selection has now been confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.